John Michael Gonzalez from Buong Bulacan. Alfier John Guerrero, General Santos City.
Yung kaklase niyo, yung si Marcos. Oh.
Ansari Guruanan, Ribeles Bataan. Kyle Adrian Ovilla, Iloilo City.
Yan.
J. Daniel Jacob, Silang Cavite.
Yun o. Yun o. Yun o.
Chrissy Hamandron, Bayawan City, Negros Oriental.
Yun o. Yun o.
Aaron Carla Camila, Bayawan. Ron Patrick Laganzo, Taguig.
Scott!
Janine Lagas, Matalang, North Cotabato. Cum laude.
Aaron Carla Canelao.
Award,
Never mind.
Janine Lagas, for having obtained a grade point average of 1.6 with no grade lower than 2.0 and qualifying him to the cum laude for the Missouri class of 2024. Marcus Sidor Piano La Torre, Parañaque City. Gorex Alfred Dumagay Lim, Davao City. Edson Linga, Lupian, Bataan. Exemplary award is hereby presented to Edson Lingad for having been the regional winner and national finalist in the Philippine Digital Poster Making Competition 2024, given its third day of December 2024 at the Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific, Kamaypong, Barangay Asun Mariveles, Bataan. Signed, Vice Admiral Eduardo Mar Santos, Armed Forces of the Philippines retired, President, MAB, and Dr. Conrado F. Oca, Chairman, MAB Governing Board, Jose Gerald Luna, Talisay, Batangas. Roland Josh Maanyo, Murala, South Cotabato. Ray Selwyn Manalang, Lupihan, Bataan. And a Rosisi Award is hereby presented to Ray Selwyn Manalang for having obtained the highest cumulative grade of 1.2 in the Naval Reserve Officer Training Course of the Missourian class of 2024. Christian Lawrence Manlangit, Olongapo City. Ryan King Nilo, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Christian Gabriel Montaño, Bayawan City, Negros Oriental. Dan Virgil Morin, Antipas, North Cotabato, cum laude. Exemplary award is hereby presented to Dan Virgil Morin.